Prestesis. The embarkinist, mind all around as chemicals round. I'm just saying it's remarkable for whatever you hear in the Pro 2 sound. I'm giving us some other shit logical, and we ain't right here to reaching all the way profile. Shout out to my G's worldwide too. You already know how we got our style. That's Steezus, believe me, I'm Steezus. That's Steezus, believe me, I'm Steezus. Got my mind on my repetition every time. I'm winning the goal. The ways is part of the do listening. This is my mind flow, and this is how this goes. Yeah. Pedestal of the show, everything for the revenue just to glow. Mountain matters of the business, humble and float. All the way how the shit, and we never broke. Wanna put it in the boundaries, never spoke. And you hear about that shit over codes, and running none into consideration. Now but just say that we really gonna rock out on the boat. Shout out to Aaliyah, I'm God blessed for everything that we getting and redeeming. Shout out to Aaliyah, and the highest mantles of the angels that receiving. I'ma give it off the breaks, everything's just a boundary. You already heard this, just sound these. All the opportunities is around us, and you already know, and we just put these in the consideration. The consideration is all the facts. I'm presidential beyond the gin and plaques. All the ways beyond to get it fat, and the ladies wanna come around, they ask us fat. Don't forgive me for my sins. Ain't nothing all day, I gotta repent. Putting off whatever I do with the pen, or without it. I gotta steeze for this and modulating what it spins on. Every time you already know we wrong for just being this goddamn strong. You already know this gon' last long. She gon' think about the Travis all the way in the Mac. Just put it down and I'm ratchet. Nah, I'm flipping the flow beyond whatever it is and put it in the no average flow. An opportunity just to put it off the top and wherever it is in my dome. Resonate, designate, formulate. And yeah, this is how you consume. More or less to digest, rolling around because this is a process. Rolling around, eliminating the ones that think about hatred. You know we annihilate. Yeah, thinking about it rightly. I'm just saying just proudly. Shout out to my fam and the ones that consider it unattached, always right by me. And I know money all the way, yeah, this get personal, but yeah, we're not talking about no beef. I'm just saying how he was a great dude, and I'm thanking God for this gift. And every time that I just take a shift, just cause we are right here and we's part of PK, and the family never forgets. I always rolling up to the top. I'm so damn high, I'll never stop. And always giving the flow or whatever it is. Anytime I touch any block, I'm any more, any stop. So the way in the market, screwing out any park in the lot and the barking. Every down in the arc and then put it to beyond what it is when I'm arching for this whole maneuver. I'm taking it for the golden pursuers of everything, for the illest of jewelers, and reminisce on just in the purest of what I just brought to the lyrical, and roll around in the straight so spiritual and deliver beyond this to the biblical. You heard about this, check out the serial, we need that number, and that's 7. Always hunger throughout zones. I roll around, cause that's been prone, and then I'm a believer beyond my dome. Cause that's that prat. Roll around, y'all. You already know with my chromosomes, and stay so proud. Yeah, I feel home.